Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the white bar covering top portion in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Display. Change display resolution 1 by 1, select best one. Change to recommended scale. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Desktop Windows Manager, click End Task. Log off and log in again. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Internet Explorer, click and expand Toolbar. Open lock change value data to 1. Close Registry Editor and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.